Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video I will be unboxing the TIVOO. I picked this little Bluetooth speaker up off of Amazon for $80, and the nice little light box that you see to the left is a Bluetooth speaker, also a product of TIVOO. Now let's go ahead and take a look around the packaging. Now off to the first side you see pixel art, so attention to detail. You see they put effort in the labeling of this package. The back shows features of the Bluetooth speaker, and off to the last side you have additional pixel art. Now this box is plastic, so removing the lid we see a black little envelope or package that says TIVOO. So we'll open the package up, and neatly tucked away is the TIVOO manual, as you see here, and it is pretty thick. Then it appears that they give us a bunch of little pixel art stickers, which is a nice touch. And then these two are pixel art postcards. Here is the TIVOO Bluetooth speaker. Pulling it out the box, there is weight to this. It's a nice shiny plastic, powered by TIVOO. And then let's go ahead and take the last little gray package out of this, and you see more attention to detail because you have pixel art on this little gray box. This seems to be the cable, not Type-C, and an aux cord. Here is everything that comes in the package. Now let's go ahead and take a fine look at the TIVOO Bluetooth speaker. Looks like a little TV, and this is an actual button that you can push in. This knob is clicky and it moves, and this clicks as well. Turning it over, if you take this little door down, you see you get a place where you can put an SD card, and then you have your USB where you would charge the speaker, the aux cord port, and powering it on. Wow, that actually sounds very bassy. And here's the icon for the Bluetooth. The display is actually really nice and bright. How does it look for you guys? And on the bottom, I just noticed they have some nice rubber feet, so it prevents it from sliding around when you sit it wherever you're going to place it. The top is the speaker grills. Let's go ahead and pair up the speaker with my phone. There it is. So we'll just have to wait a second. And yep, well, that was quick. So connected for calls and media. Both of these little Bluetooth speakers, they pack some power. They have some nice bass. And what do you guys think? Taking a look here, you see a bunch of different pixel art. It's just cycling through the different pixel art. You can also add your own, make your own using the app. So as you see, there's so many pixel art. And the Bluetooth speaker to the left, the time box, it can do it as well, but I want to focus mainly on the TIVOO. And this would be a nice addition to sit on your desk, on your nightstand, your dresser. So let me go ahead and do the scan code, and as you see, as soon as I scan that QR code, it leaves a link that we can go to, and pressing the link will allow us to download the app. So you see right there, TIVOO Smart. So we'll install it. Once you have installed the app asks you to create an account or log in if you already have an account. I didn't want to go ahead and create an account. I wanted to jump into the app to see all the different types of features that the app has. So you see, as I'm cycling through the different kind of categories, there are hundreds upon hundreds of different pixel arts that you can all display on your TiVoo device. As we see right here, if you did happen to create an account, you can have the ability to do a bit more with the app, as far as such as actually creating your own pixel art to display, and a bit more. I can go into detail if you want in another video, but I just kind of wanted to just see the gist of everything that the app has. You can also have text scroll through on the screen of the speaker, and I'm not sure if you caught it when I was testing out how the Bluetooth speaker sounded, but when you do play music, the song or the title of the song will actually be displayed on the speaker as well. Taking a quick look at the settings, let's look at the LED settings. At the top you see 24 hours. You can change that to 12-hour clock instead. There's a startup logo. You can display song title, which we did speak about, and you see the light settings. I have it on the brightest, but you can control how dim or how bright you want the display. Both of these Bluetooth speakers, they are a pleasure to look at. They sound really good for being so little. I do really like the whole style of the TiVoo, because it's like you're looking at a little TV, an old school TV. It's just missing the antenna. The pixel art and the way that this whole little Bluetooth speaker is built just looks really nice. I think it would look really nice on your desk. It's just something that you can stare at and kind of get lost in thought when looking at it. So right now I'm just trying to type in spectacular gadgets to see if I can get it to display across the screen. So there, I have typed in the name. So here's just a little see, actually I can't do it, but within that screen that I was in, it looks like you can do different things with the text and add layers and different animations and images. Well, this just about does it for the unboxing of the TIVOO Bluetooth speaker. Until next time, everyone, I want you to have a spectacular day. Later.